welcome to our channel NK Learning. Today we are going to learn how to convert an PNG image sequence to a video. Let's start. First go to 3ds Max, go to render setup and render output. Select file, create a new folder, output, create a name, open and give a file name 01 and go to format PNG. Then select the PNG format RGB 48 and enable the alpha channel. OK. Then go to range. You can enable the range. This is a single, this is active time, and select a range 0 to 100 frames. Okay, I need the 0 to 100 frame entire animation. I need to enter animation to the render and select a range 0 to 100. Fine. Then go to render. See. Now 0 frame rendering. See the file render output name 01 PNG. I need to 0 to 100 frame separate PNG image render output. Okay, 100 frame is done. Then go to output. See 0 to 100 frames, all frames rendering done. Separate image. Now go to the create single video. Then go to Adobe Premiere Pro, file, new project, create your new project and again create your new sequence, file, new sequence. See, and select the HDV. OK, create a new sequence, done. Then go to the projects window, go to import. You can right click, select import, go to the render output, file path, select the output. See, now we have 100 PNG images. I need to single video sequence. Don't select all. This is important. Select first image and go to the enable image sequence. Automatically convert single sequence file like this. See, keep existing. See, the entire PNG image convert single sequence. See the render output. Now we have a HD quality. See the entire PNG image, separate PNG image. Now you have a single sequence. This is the 3ds Max animation. See the output. Now we have a HD quality render output. Now I'm import the one background, add the one background like this and select this background. The video was second layer, the background was first layer. Now we have a one background will come. You can add any background, this types of sequence. See, now we have a perfect one background will come. You can change any background. Go to the effect and select some video effect. See, color correction. Go to the brightness and contrast. I need to increase the brightness. Just go to the effect control and increase the brightness and contrast. See, now the background and video sequence same lighting will come. You have a lot of color correction options. You have add any types of effect like this video. See the output. Now we have a high quality video. This is one of the high quality render output. See the entire 3D model also high quality. See the car. Export the high quality video. Go to file, export, just select media and go to the file format HD and press it high quality 1080p HD. See, this is the high quality. Then go to file output. You can select, just create the name, fine. And select the desktop file path. Then export. Done. Go to the desktop. See the output. See the final output. Now we have a high quality HD video. You can use this method. This is PNG sequence convert to video file format. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.